Two things should be clear. Number one, Al-Quran is the word of Allah, speech of Allah. It's Kalamullah. As we find in ayah number 6 of Surah At-Tawbah, وَإِنْ أَحَدٌ مِّنَ الْمُشْرِكِينَ اسْتَجَارَكَ فَأَجِرْهُ حَتَّى يَسْمَعَ كَلَامَ اللَّهِ ثُمَّ أَبْلِغْهُ مَأْمَنَهُ. If anyone from the mushrikeen, those who assign partners to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, asks your protection and security to come to you and listen to the kalam of Allah, grant him the surety and protection so that he can listen to the kalam of Allah, and then let him reach his place of safety and security. So this is kalamullah. This word of Allah or kalam of Allah or speech of Allah was conveyed to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, son of Abdullah, son of Abdul Muttalib, Al-Hashmi, Al-Qarshi, from the progeny of Ismail, son of Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam. Actually, this was again conveyed through speech. It was not conveyed as a written text. Speech of Allah conveyed to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam through speech of Jibreel alayhi salatu wassalam. That is why we find in Quran, in Surah At-Takwir, إِنَّهُ لَقَوْلُ رَسُولٍ كَرِيمٍ ذِي قُوَّةٍ عِنْدَ ذِي الْعَرْشِ مَكِينٍ مُطَاعٍ ثَمَّ أَمِينٍ. These attributes and these words are being used for Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salatu wassalam. لَقَوْلُ رَسُولٍ كَرِيمٍ. Because actually Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam listened to it. It was not delivered to him in written form. Then thirdly, this kalam of Allah, this word of Allah, the speech of Allah was conveyed to the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam through the speech of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Again, the medium was spoken word, not written word. And that is why we find in Surah Al-Haqqah, إِنَّهُ لَقَوْلُ رَسُولٍ كَرِيمٍ وَمَا هُوَ بِقَوْلِ شَاعِرٍ قَلِيلًا مَا تُؤْمِنُونَ وَلَا بِقَوْلِ كَاهِنٍ قَلِيلًا مَا تَذَكَّرُونَ. So this is one thing which must be very clear. It is kalam of Allah, it is speech of Allah, conveyed through the kalam and speech of Jibreel to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and through his speech and kalam to his companions, and from them to the humanity at large.